We're all set up for the shop open house. Let me give you a little tour and show you what we got on display. A few nice ones up in the showroom. It's an upcoming project. Gonna put a straight axle under this, do a lot of work. This will be a pretty cool car. The Mark II. Tore this one right down. You can see all the frame and everything's been powder coated. Engine's been gone through. We'll be getting this one back together. Be a cool car. Hertz 46, that's always shows nice. Cool truck. The Grammy, that was a fun project. Got a lot of attention down in Detroit. This is a really nice Nova. We had this one sandblasted and sealed it up. Really solid car. We'll be doing paint and body and putting this one together eventually. Take a walk back through here. Cool 57 gasser. We just did some ladder bars and rewire on this car. You can see we got a lot of stuff out in the shop. Very cool Chevy truck. Another one, put some front disc brakes on it. Installed the radio on some speakers. A new bedwood for the truck. Looking really nice. This Corvette's another cool build, 62. It's got an Art Morrison chassis, 525 horse LS3 and a 6-speed. This is gonna be awesome. Can do everything but paint. Got some new gauges in it. Obviously to get a new interior. Trans Am's a new project. It's got an LT swap in it. We got to go through and get it finished up. Got quite a few parts. 65 Cutlass. Thing's been sitting for a little while, but pulled the old engine out. Get a nice little blueprint 383 for it. I'm gonna do some suspension work as well and go through it, make it a nice cruiser. Wagon's coming back together. 62 Ford wagon. Another engine swap project. We pulled the old engine out and got another blueprint, small block Ford for this one. You can see working on rewiring the car. We detailed the engine bay, new brakes. A lot of stuff on this one. This has been a cool car. Been in the same family since it's been new. Just getting it wrapped up. Not too much longer on this one. Got the Vega. This is a super solid car. You're gonna do a nice small block swap of suspension and brakes. Coilovers. This is gonna be a rocket ship. Be a fun one though. Yeah, steel body Willys gasser. This one's finally coming together. A lot of work to get to this point. It's on a brand new chassis. Cool old DeSoto Hemi for it. This is gonna be awesome. He's gonna drive this car. These two are pretty popular. TB Copper, the 34 Ford. This one ought to be heading home soon. We brought the 55 Chevy truck back in, doing a little bit of work to it. It's gonna be back on the road pretty quick too. This is another cool one, LS swapped, Roadster shop chassis. Really cool truck, a lot of detail on this one. In the fab shop here, we got the Fairlane. Then we got a Roadrunner down on that end. What's left of a Roadrunner. Real big project. Chevy truck cab. Some fresh paint on it. This would be cool, nice two-tone blue and white. Going back very original with the truck. Chassis out right now getting powder coated, and we'll get it back, get it assembled, and put this body on it. Be very cool. Cool Impala. Things coming along on the bodywork side of things. It's a big block 4-speed car. That's gonna be pretty awesome. Going black with it. So we're spending a lot of time on making sure that body's straight. It's gonna be pretty awesome. Got that 34 Chevy. It's been here for a little while, but we're getting really close to some color now. A lot of work into this one, a lot of custom stuff, a lot of time. So we gotta make sure it's all right. Be a cool hot rod. Roadrunner. This has been around for a little while. We actually kind of unback half the car. It was all tubbed and done, so we actually put a factory floor back in it. He wanted to turn it back into a street car. See all the trunks. All this is factory style stuff. It's all been bed lined. Still gonna be a pretty rowdy car though. It's got a lot of tire under it. Yeah, should be a good open house.